Okay, so this is problem 1. We have a 4-stock portfolio, and the question is asking you to calculate the required return of the portfolio. And it gives you a market return of 12% and a risk-free rate of 3%. So the only way to determine this is using the capital asset pricing model. So I'll put the formula here. The risk-free rate plus the market rate minus the risk-free rate times the beta. So what we don't have is the beta of the portfolio. We just have the beta of the individual stocks. So as a first step, we're going to calculate the weight of each investment in the portfolio. So to do that, we take the entire portfolio and add it. So we're going to hit the sum up at the top and find that the portfolio in total is $210,000. So the weight of each one will be equal to the amount of the investment divided by the total. And then we're going to use F4 so we can pull down. So we have 14% more or less, ranging up to about 33%. So our next step then will be to take the weight times the beta of each stock. So I'm going to multiply together the two columns. And then we're going to pull down for all 4 of them. And then we are going to sum them up. And this is the beta of the portfolio. And we'll then use that beta in this formula to determine the required return of the portfolio. So we have risk-free rate of 3% plus a market return of 12% minus the 3%, and that gets us what we call the market risk premium, and we multiply that times the beta of the portfolio. So I'm going to put 0.80714. So when I put it into the cell, equals 3% plus 12 minus 3% is 9% times the beta that we found. And that way it will pick up any rounding that we wouldn't normally get. So the required return on this particular portfolio is 10.26%.